Hey guys, Leela's Tools here. Welcome to another tool haul. Let's get right into it. So first off, I just want to show you these. I did an unboxing of them. These are a Channellock 960. They're for your lock rings in your electrical boxes. Adjustable for different sizes. Real nice. So there's them. Next, I got some interesting stuff. We got a locking pliers, vice grip. They're in a bit rough shape. I cleaned them up a lot already. You can see here they are a mole trademark. And then over here we have a self-grip wrench, Birmingham, England. So very neat. The jaws all loose on here, and you can see they just barely lock, and we're all the way in. So I don't know if this will really be much of a user, but very cool nonetheless. Everything here has been through the evaporust and wire brush, by the way. Here we have a pair of made in USA slip joint pliers. These say K16 and Motor Spec, Duluth, USA. Pretty nice. Nice knurling on the handles. Another pair of slip joints here, another USA made pair. Barcalo, USA. Oh wow. Beautiful pattern on the handles of these guys. Worn away a bit on that side. So there's them. Here we have a more modern pair of gray needle nose pliers with a bolt grip and side cutters in them. Pretty good. There's them. They are a H406 gray. This I'm really happy with. This is a beauty. This is a Gedore, German brand, but it is a older model made in India. But I would say this is as good as your high-end Taiwanese tools nowadays. It's quite nice. Smooth. It was really nasty when I got it, but it's all good now. There it is. And the kitty's meowing. Hold on, guys. Oh, you want to be in another video? Come on. Oh, doesn't want in the shop now. Alright, let's keep going. No real brand on this. I'm not sure. Is that a model number? Is that a price? It looks like it says $3.99. Like right in the forging. Why would they put that? Is that the price? Or I have no idea. It's got a nice hammered paint on it. Works just fine. Well, just another C-clamp for the collection. This here, little husky tool. Little black plastic handle. It's got some weight to it. Now, I was looking at this. I'm not quite sure what it is. Only thing I can think is for those oval valves you have on, like you have on oxygen tank, acetylene tank, and whatnot, and some of your, I can't think of the word, but for your sprinklers and irrigation equipment, whatnot. Those kind of valves, water valves. If anyone knows exactly what this is, so let me know. I picked it up. Thought it was neat. Let's go over the couple screwdrivers. So this here, it's a multi-end. Got a Phillips and a flat. And it's plastic, but you've got a socket here. And I was thinking this is quite interesting. And what this is, it is a made in Germany, SVL Germany, Audi Volkswagen. So I'm assuming this came out of a toolkit. And I'm thinking maybe this is for like little plastic lug nut covers. Because you're not going to be able to put much torque by hand or on this plastic. So I thought that's cool. Again, another Bondhus. 9/64 ball Allen. Keep growing that collection of these. So there's that guy. We've got a couple of gray pin punches here. Gray Canada. That's seen a better day. You can always grind that off again. And this little guy. So you need to put new tips on those, or cut new tips, grind new tips, but definitely usable. And here's my first Dasco Punch. Heard a lot about these. Oh, I thought for a second it's like a hex. I was like, wait, what? Yeah, just a made in USA chisel. There's that guy. This is going to be real hard to see on camera. It's hard to see in person. I'll just tell you real quick. Oh, it's so hard to see, guys. This is a Skf Sweden Half 20 tap. Very high quality. Looks almost like new. So got that guy. Pardon. Should have had a drink. Throat's a bit dry. This is a Dormer die. 7/16 national course. There's that guy. This is just a Jacob's chuck key. Come on, focus. There we go. A couple wrenches. This is my first of this brand. Heard about it. This is a VL check. Number 30 alloy steel. Or maybe not number 30, that's a 28S. 5/8 and a 25/32. Nice old wrench. And here we've got another one of those ETFs with that beautiful finish. ETF, these are made in Canada, 5/8 3/4. So there's that guy, and on to the sockets. We got some real gems here. Some old snap-on. This is a 17mm impact, 3/8. Canadian made one. Good condition on that guy. And this guy is also made in Canada, snap-on. It's 11/16, 3/8. A little bit wallered out there. Another Canadian made snap-on. So those are some nice finds. Here's a 1/4 inch. I was looking at this. I think this one is made on Monday. The guy broaching it didn't do the best job. You can see how thick that is there. Not very centered. But yeah, little proto Canada 1/2 inch. Here's our 1 SK for the day. Oh, what's that there? RT. Richie Thomas used to have this, I think. Just an SK 11/16 12 point. What we got here? Oh, and guys, we got some gems here. This is a gray 3/4. But I could probably show it to you guys here. Is at the thrift shop, and there's this old export can, Speed Tobacco, and I actually saw this. I was like, oh, I'll grab that. That's cool, for the shop. But it was in a plastic bag and had a sticker, like a price on it. And I looked; it was full of sockets. And score! It was like $2. So I got that, and I got this whack of sockets. It was almost full. Most of it was complete junk, old, like the crappy old Japanese made stuff and Taiwanese. Some of it wasn't even marked. Just real junky stuff. But we got almost a full set of metric gray sockets in here. So let's go over them. This isn't one of them, but this is a gray Canada 5/8. There's that guy. Oh, here's a start of the set, or not start, but 14mm gray Canada. These are all in great condition. 16mm gray Canada. $18. And a 17. On the camera it looks like this is cracked. That's just the chrome on the corners. 12mm gray Canada. And an 11mm Grey Canada. So these have all been 6 points, this whole set here. But how this is in here, this is like a gift from the heavens. This is a Grey Canada 10mm 12 point. What a gem. So we got that whole set. So that tin and all those, $1.99 or $2.99, I can't quite remember. And to finish her off, we got a couple of nice old industrial sockets. Always loved industrial, just really quality, and they put like their like the way they did these cuts and then almost knurling is very nice. Oh, no, that's not an industrial. 13/16. And this, I think, is an industrial made product, but it's not. I've heard of this before. Durochrome. Not too familiar, but you can see how similar the numbering. It's like the same font or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, my first Durochrome socket. So there's that, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And huge shout out to Big Vic and also Audubon Dan, who sent me this a long time ago. I just finally got it put on something. And of course, shout out to 357 Magdad. And the last thing I got, I want to show you guys, is I got this Dewalt Stool. This was a Kijiji find, which is like Craigslist here in Canada. 25 bucks. Can't beat it. Solid. So, thanks very much, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out Instagram, etc. And take it easy.